Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up an expansion card on your Xbox Series S. First, make sure you have the official Seagate storage expansion card, specifically designed for Xbox. It comes in various capacities, like 500 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, or 2 terabytes. Before you begin, power down your Xbox Series S completely and unplug it. Locate the rectangular expansion port on the back of your console, usually near the HDMI and power ports. Now take your expansion card and carefully align it with the port. Notice the card has a specific shape, so it will only fit one way. Gently but firmly push the card straight into the slot. You should feel a slight click or resistance as it seats properly. Do not force the card. If it doesn't go in easily, recheck the alignment. A secure connection is crucial for optimal performance and data integrity. Once the expansion card is securely in place, plug your Xbox Series S back in and power it on. Your console should automatically detect the new storage device. You might see a notification pop up, prompting you to format the card. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete this process. Formatting prepares the card for use with your Xbox, ensuring it's ready to store all your favorite games and applications. With your new expansion card set up, you can now manage your game library. Navigate to your Xbox settings, then to System and Storage Devices to see your available space. You can easily move games between your internal storage and the expansion card. This is perfect for optimizing performance, as many newer games run best directly from the expansion card. Enjoy significantly more space for your growing collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.